Hi guys, this is John here with Costa Rica Escapes and Explorations with my wife Helen.
Hola.
And we're going to make banana bread today. In order to make banana bread, you need the following ingredients: bananas, eggs, margarine, condensed milk, flour, brown sugar, vanilla, cooking oil, and baking powder. Okay, so now we have our baking pan all greased up and ready to go. We mashed up all the bananas. We have 2 eggs, half a cup of brown sugar, 2 cups of flour, and we're going to be using 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of cooking oil. And now my wife is going to help me mix all of this up. So now that we have all of our ingredients mixed up into a nice thick paste, this is sort of like making pancakes, guys. You know, you don't want it to be too runny, you don't want it to be too thick. So we're gonna go ahead and pour our mix into this baking pan, which we had already greased up and ready to be baked. And now we are going to bake it for about 25 minutes. And the temperature you want to keep, it's 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 minutes. And here we go, guys. Our banana bread is ready. We just have to let it cool down for a few minutes. And here is the finished product, freshly baked banana bread. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.